is the foundation and progressive society. Our government is committed to uplifting the most vulnerable, ensuring dignity, security, equal opportunities for all. Welfare initiatives, we empower the elderly, widows, special abled individuals, women, children, and marginalized communities, reinforcing our pledge to the social justice. Social Welfare Department operates through Mission Poshan, Vatsalya, Shakti, with directorates of Jammu and Kashmir focusing on pensions, scholarships, welfare schemes, and elderly disabled commissioner rehabilitation council CRC provide comprehensive support for persons with disability. Additional financial assistance for income generation is extended. Women Development Corporation, I am honored to present the key achievements and future roadmap of the department. Ensuring financial security and dignity of our... During the budget 2005-26, Honorable Chief Minister in charge Finance Department was pleased to announce revision in pension amount across the beneficiary categories. All beneficiaries under both NSAP and ISSS received a uniform pension, rupees 1,000 per month. To promote equity and sustainability, structure has been introduced to enhance pension amounts with beneficiaries age groups, the new pension structure. These initiatives reflect our commitment to social justice. Education is the foundation of progress, and our government remains committed to ensure that no child is deprived for learning due to financial constraints. As a step towards social justice, we are implementing affirmative action measures to support students from disadvantaged communities. 2024 scholarships were provided to 9,668 SC students, and 2025 we are expanding coverage to 13,000 students. The scholarship coverage, tuition fees, maintenance allowance, hostel support help educational disparities and promote inclusive development. A key initiative under affirmative action effort is to PM Achievers Scholarship Award Scheme for Vibrant India OBC, EBC, DND students after non-operational for 3 years. Under the ICD program Mission Poshan in our union territory, we are committed and ensuring the well-being of children, adolescent girls, pregnant women, and lactating mothers through the growth monitoring technology solutions like Poshan Tracker and awareness initiatives such as Poshan. 28,185 Anganwadi centers have fully adopted the Poshan Tracker, ensuring